This video was sponsored by Enhance, NeoWatt, A Better Road Planner, Elbilmek, Kempower and Bilkomponenter.
Yo, what's up? This is a BMW iX3 50 xDrive, the neue Klasse. And in this video, we're gonna find out how much space we have. It's a really good car for long range, but can it also space lots of people and cargo? Well, first let's start with the frunk. Here we actually have a little frunk. There's a lid, and then, well, we have this thing here. Oh, it's actually on USB-C. Is it a tire repair kit or is it just a compressor? Okay, but if you take out this, see that we can actually put some items here, but not that big. Maybe just a backpack. I can show you banana box for measure that. Banana box does not fit in here, unfortunately. So that would be 0. Wait, how do you put this one? There. Okay. And look at the nice back, huh? And then here we have motorized liftgate. Great. And then, well, it's okay space here, right? Well, this is not looking too good because the lid here, there's a fastener. So are we supposed to remove this? There's also some foam over there. I can't open up more here. There's just some kind of car stuff there. Well, maybe it's the Harman Kardon subwoofer. And then under here, okay, you have some another level. You can put some stuff here, pockets there. But it doesn't fit the banana box. Yeah, so I think that's it. We can just do it like this. We can't even remove this because it then, yeah, it becomes slightly thicker. But you probably want to open this for the maximum space. Okay, round one. How many boxes? Well, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that's actually okay for an SUV. So even though we couldn't open up more space there, the trunk was actually big enough to room at least 8, which is like the industry standard for how many boxes an SUV can take. And then some of the better ones, they can actually take maybe 9 or 10, but then they are cheating with their seats. Look here, you can actually go upright. If I do this and then click, that is the upright position. It's kind of church bench, but then I can also go lower. So we have to try also the upright position. Right, in the upright position, we can then fit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 this time. Yeah, so that's roughly on par with other cars. Maybe it could have been 10 if I could remove this lid completely. So I actually had to put it like this. If I open it here, then it becomes slightly taller and then it couldn't fit the top one. So it's always a Tetris with this test. Okay, as always, I try to fill as many boxes as possible in here. One thing to highlight first is that the leg room here is not the best. So you can see that we cannot put it or lay it down flat, that box. And also there's less efficient, or I mean less optimal space here that we cannot utilize. I simply don't know how to use that space. So this is the disadvantage with a banana box test, is that the items are large, right? And then also this car has no glass roof, so then we cannot utilize the extra, I don't know, 1-2 centimeter headroom there. So this is what we can pack maximum. And then here, there are some gaps, but this is actually what I could fill in here. Okay, the moment of truth. Let's turn up the pitch and start counting.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21,
22, 23 only. Whoa. Well, kind of shock, but on the other hand, not too big surprise for me, because I've been using this car also to bring the kids to the kindergarten and back, and I noticed that the space in the back, leg room and so on, is not the greatest. So yeah, 23 only. I know all the Tesla fanboys will see Model Y can take a lot more, X-Band can take more. Yeah, even the MEB cars like the Skoda Enyaq, ID4, they can take more. So BMW, they have never been known for having the best space utilization in the car. But this is, I get the impression it's still better than the i4, right? But the front maybe could have been bigger, maybe because of the long hood. But I try my best. We cannot chop a banana box in half just to distribute it better. We didn't have the glass roof, okay? I mean, there are probably plenty of excuses why we couldn't fit more banana boxes in here. You had 21-inch wheels, not 20-inch wheels, that's why. But I did my best as Bjorn to put as many boxes in here, and this was the result. So, you know, I actually, this is kind of crazy, but when I was using the space here for a child seat, and you know, we have Wi-Fi in the front here, I almost got the impression that the leg room in the Kia EV4 was better. You know what I'm saying? Just as reference, okay? So, well, so this seems to be an Achilles heel of this iX3 then, because everything else here is actually really good when it comes to charging and range efficiency. Splendid, but then small minus then with the space. Anyway, that's gonna be it for now. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, thank you for watching and talk to you later.